how to add and make and create photo portfolio page on Google Sites. So hello guys, all what you have to do is so simple, so please keep watching until the end. First thing you have to do is go to Google Sites. Of course, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do here is simple. Just click on template gallery and scroll down until you find small business. Go to photo portfolio, click on it, and now here, as you can see, you will be able to edit this template. You can add your pictures from here. Click on the picture like this, and now click here and click on those three dots and click on replace image and go here. Very easy and fast to edit. After you finish, click publish. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later in the next video.